Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify dataset consistency in Azure Synapse with data flows, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Azure Synapse workspace. Navigate to the Data Flow section. Click on the Create Data Flow button. Choose the Add Source option to specify your dataset. Select the dataset you want to verify for consistency. Next, add a derived column transformation. In the derived column transformation, create new columns to flag inconsistencies. For example, you might create a column for missing values. You can use functions like isNull or isEmpty to check for these conditions. Then, add an aggregate transformation to summarize your data. This will help you identify discrepancies across different segments of your dataset. Configure the aggregation settings to suit your analysis requirements. Following this, add a join transformation if you're comparing multiple datasets. Select the keys on which to join the datasets. Use the conditional split transformation to route records based on your consistency checks. This allows you to isolate consistent and inconsistent records for further review. Next, add a sync transformation to output your results. Choose a destination for your verified dataset, such as Azure Blob Storage or a database. Configure the sync settings to include both consistent and inconsistent records. Finally, validate your data flow to ensure there are no errors. Once validated, click Debug to test the flow with sample data. Review the output to confirm the consistency checks performed correctly. Once satisfied with the results, publish your data flow. You can now use this workflow for future consistency verification tasks. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a process to verify dataset consistency in Azure Synapse with data flows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.